Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Amazon affiliate dashboard payment preferences, full guide step by step clearly. To update your Amazon affiliate dashboard payment preferences, begin by logging into your Amazon Associates account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page. Click on the Account Settings option from the drop-down menu. In the Account Settings section, locate the Payment Information section. Click on the Edit button next to the Payment Preferences. You will see your current payment method listed. Choose your preferred payment method from the options available. If you wish to add a new payment method, click on the Add a New Payment Method link. Enter the required information for the new payment method. Double-check the details to ensure accuracy. After entering the information, click the Save Changes button. Your new payment method will now be updated in your account. If you need to change the payment threshold, scroll to the Payment Threshold settings. Select your desired payment threshold from the available options. Once you've made all necessary changes, be sure to save them. It's important to keep your payment information updated for timely payments. Review your payment preferences periodically to ensure they meet your needs. Log out of your account when you're finished to protect your information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.